Now let's learn functions that return values. This is where Dart becomes really powerful. Look at our first function, int doublet, int n. The word int before the name tells us this function returns an integer. Inside we return n multiplied by 2. When you call doublet with 5, you get 10 back. Our second function returns a string. String full name takes first and last name. It returns them combined with a space. String interpolation makes this easy. In main we call both functions inside print. Doublet 5 prints 10. Full name AB prints a space B. The pattern is always the same. Declare the return type, write the function body, use return to send the value back, then call the function to receive it. In Flutter, the most important returning function is build. Widget build returns a widget. That widget is what appears on screen. If you forget return in a non-void function, Dart shows an error. If you return the wrong type, Dart catches that too. This keeps your code safe. Practice exercise. Write a bool function called isAdult that returns true if age is 18 or more. Call it from main and print the result. Functions with return types are the building blocks of logic.